Yeah, I'm walking down the street. That's the highway. And my house is that way, and I have ways to go. I went along this trail right here with the creek on it. My name is Harry Gibbons. It's light snow, but there might be more when I see partly cloudy and someone just hunked. I don't know if it was at me or someone else. Okay, look at the snow. Oh, the creek's on that side, so I can't get a good view of that creek. Very, very light snow, but it looks like it's snowing more on the east ridge and that mountain. I don't know what mountain that really is, but I want to go down this block and go down here and look. The roads are slick, as slick as ice. And I'm gonna go down this way, and this is I see people already walk down this, and it's very slick, and I'm putting my feet on it, slip and ice. Okay, I'm going back down, so it's not that bad when you walk on it, but when you are wearing like the right shoes for it, and I'm wearing the boots for it. And I'll be recording this until I get down to the corner. It's not that bad, but it's light snow, and I see patching clouds, but it's starting to get cloudy again. But, oh, there's a horse. Oh, he must not be feeling good. Oh, it's just too cold for him. Oh. Oh, my hand's cold. I'm wearing no gloves, and it's like 20-something degrees. Actually, it was 19, but it's probably more now. And it's not that icy on certain things, because it's not that wet. It's wet snow, though. That's all. We just had about 3 inches there, and we probably have 5 inches now on top of the snow we had. So, not really it's just a little bit of bad weather and all that. With a winter. But today is the 31st, and that's the first day of winter. And yep, it is. And there's already icing going on in the Middle East. And there's a tornado warning in Houston and all that over by Texas by the ocean. And Illinois is supposed to get almost very top of Illinois, and Wisconsin's supposed to get 5 to 8 inches. And yep. And Rockford, Illinois is supposed to get 3 to 5 inches tonight, I think. And 1 to 3 the next day. That's what I looked at the last time on the Weather Channel. And this is it by Harry Gibbons.